Hi, just a quick video to show you the condition of this Dyson V6 Absolute cordless vacuum cleaner. It's fully working and I fully cleaned it. The bush bar head, I've taken this apart, cleaned it, put it back together. Still has dust in tight places. Comes with also genuine charger, a replacement brand new combination tool and a replacement brand new crevice tool. The wand, which has little scratches, don't know if the camera can pick it up, little scratches all over, only cosmetic. And then the main unit. This I have washed, cleaned, dried the filter, washed and cleaned the head and the main bin. The main bin has scratches because it's used. I've also cleaned the filter in the back. This has a brand new 4000 mAh battery. I only sell Dysons with brand new batteries because used batteries you don't know how long you're going to get. There's two modes. The first mode is economy mode. Press the button, the light goes blue, and that is boost. Boost is more powerful, but it drains the battery till you have to charge it again. I'll just show you it working quickly. I do have many other Dysons listed. Please take a look. So it's full working order. Any questions at all, please ask. Yeah. Thank you.